What's going on, guys? Today, as usual, we got another product unboxing, and today I've got MeLe Design Firm engine bay cap set for 2005 to 2009 Subaru Legacies. Probably the same for the Outbacks as well, but I just wanted to pull this out, show you what they look like, kind of give you an idea of the product quality here. So everything comes individually packed. It's really nice. You got the wrinkle red finish, which I really like. Okay, so here we got brake fluid. That's the first one. It looks like we got a coolant cap here. We got, oh yeah, that's right. I have a manual transmission, so this is going to be the clutch fluid. Looks like we got a power steering fluid deal going on here. Of course, oil cap, and then windshield washer fluid. It's actually really nice. Obviously, it comes in a box. Okay, so I got the wrinkle red. Let me kind of give you a little close-up on what this looks like. I think this is one of the best looking finishes in the aftermarket automotive space. I really like this. It's hands down my favorite finish right now. Now, I bought these because these will match my strut tower brace that I have from MeLe. They'll match perfectly, and I'm gonna be honest with you, the reason I bought this is because I just got so tired of the stock oil cap not coming loose when I wanted it to come loose. I don't know why that pisses me off so much, but I don't know if it's because over the years they just get hard and brittle. I don't know what it is, but it's just making me mad, and I was like, well, that's a good excuse to get something nice. So I went ahead and bought these bad boys. So in the inside of your stock caps, there's going to be some inserts that you'll have to remove from the OEM caps. And I know that some people, they'll just use some pliers and maybe a screwdriver. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but they're basically like gaskets that you got to transfer over to the aftermarket cap set. So I don't know how hard it's going to be. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad. I don't think it will be, but we'll find out. Let me see here. That'll be good. That won't have anything. I don't think this will have anything either. It might just be the brake fluid. I guess I'll cross that bridge when I get there. Now, a question that I have seen, and I've addressed this before, but I saw somebody on a forum talking about like, oh, I would never get aluminum engine bay caps. And he was saying, yeah, just imagine how hot those are going to get. Well, to be honest, aluminum is actually pretty efficient at dissipating heat. And I actually drove this vehicle because I already have an aftermarket oil cap. I have the same oil cap on it already. I'm going to transfer it over to my other car and then just run this one on this car. But I drove the car for, I want to say it was like a 300-mile trip. So the car had been hot for hours. I pulled it directly into the garage, didn't shut it off. I grabbed the digital infrared thermometer and I read my temps on the oil cap, and the oil cap was the same temperature as my battery. These do not get hot. They're not going to burn your hands. I don't know who started saying that, but it's not a thing. Aluminum is very efficient at dissipating heat. Otherwise, they wouldn't make radiators out of it. So if you're worried about that, don't be. Now, why would you get an aftermarket cap set? there's not a ton of utility in it as far as, you know, some huge functional benefit that you're going to get. The biggest thing that you're going to receive is an aesthetic benefit. So most people that have show cars and stuff like that, they'll run like an aftermarket cap set. I mean, obviously they're going to be more durable than the plastic stuff, but you know, at the end of the day, the real reason why people run these, it's almost specifically for aesthetic reasons, and there's nothing wrong with that. I absolutely am a huge fan of functional mods, but at the end of the day, if you can get products that are high quality, that you're not going to have to worry about ever, you know, breaking on you, this is absolutely an awesome thing that pretty much anybody can do. This is the perfect DIY mod that if you just want to dress up your engine bay, this is the perfect thing for you. If you don't want to get in and do some crazy extensive mods to your car, this is the way to go. Now, if you're, you know, on a budget and you're looking for, you know, bang for the buck modifications for performance, you might want to go and start somewhere else. But this is just a daily driver, and I really like MeLe Design Firm. Anything that they make for my cars, I want it. Like, I want to buy it because I absolutely love their business, love their products. Just all the stuff they make is absolutely top notch, made in the United States with US source materials. So these aluminum caps, these are all made from aluminum that was sourced here locally. So you're not buying some, you know, junk that was just purchased on Alibaba and then had a name put on it. So if you want to dress up your engine bay, make it look a little bit better, maybe you want it to match some other color scheme that you got going on, maybe you want it to match the vehicle, you know, maybe you just want something a little snazzy, or you want something that's a little bit easier to grip. These are definitely more easy to grip onto than the plastic caps. If you're on the fence about buying these, I hope this kind of gives you an idea of what they look like and what to look for. But A+. Once again, the whole crew over at MeLe knocked it out of the park. I'm stoked. If you got any questions about these, let me know. Until next time, hit the like and subscribe button so that I can keep up to date with you. Let me know what other kind of stuff you want to know about. Let me know if there's other mods you're curious about. I don't own any fast cars, but I just like having fun out in the forest, and then I like just lightly modifying my daily driver. So until next time, I'll see you guys out on the trail or on the road, and I hope you have a fantastic day.